Wanna watch it?
Let's watch it. YouTube. What you making a video?
Hi everybody, sorry for that. That was just my Uncle Dolphin. Can you like and subscribe? Oh yeah, sure.
Let's all watch the sun. Man raced a bee. The bee could also follow the man's command. Even after flying far away, it would automatically come back. He realized the bee was more clingy than a cat. Even when walking, the bee wouldn't fly around randomly. No matter how hard he tried to pull it away, the bee it always stayed on the man's body. Even when the man was working, the bee would quietly stay on his hand. And this bee had a special skill to wiggle its butt and dance. Once he had adorable, the man also had an aquarium at home. He noticed the bee was very curious about
You said you knew everybody at Michigan Adventure.
stay on top of the aquarium by itself. Even when it was on the man's hand, it would quietly insert a bottle with oxygen. And put the bee.
Did y'all give me 60,000 subscribers? Hand up? Let's see. So in the next 3 seconds, you like, subscribe, and comment, and share. Okay? I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you do it? Again. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing this video and commenting. Bye. See you in the next one. Bye. Look what I got like a lot of years. Got this like when I was born. I've been since I was 1 years old. Bye. See you in the next video. Have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye. Thanks for doing it all. See you in the next one. Bye.